this one, and I got some custom cabinets here. And then I click it, okay, and you can see I can always see a parameter panel here. So for parameter panel, you will see different things that you can adjust. For example, you can change the width of it or the depth of it or the height of it, things like this. Okay, so this is just an interface. And on the left side, you can see our public catalog for custom furniture. So we have divided into different categories. Okay, so first, the space system here. The space system here means you can choose the furniture according to the space you're designing. You can see we have bedroom, living room, dining room, home office, and in each space, you can see we have those combined cabinets. So it is a set of cabinets, and you can change the internal structure, or you can change one of the unit in this set of cabinets. So it saves time for you to design like one by one, put one mirror and put this unit cabinet and put this drawer. So it saves time, a lot of time for you. But if you still want to change one of the unit here, you can just double click it, and which I will show in my reproduction of the project later. And you can select different kinds of cabinets here for you to choose if you want to do a walk-in, and we have already generate a set of walk-in cabinets here. Yeah, and this is for the space system. And for the space unit, so as the name you can see, it's like a unit. Yeah, so it's not a set of cabinets, but it's only one unit of cabinets you can choose when you replace any unit in the space system. So this is how you use for our space unit. And then we have other like even smaller unit here that you can use. Okay, so and usually if you use the set of cabinets in space system, you can just replace the 1 or 2 unit of it, and then when you replace it, you can just choose the contents in the below. Yeah, so this is how you do. And along with all these unit cabinets, we have other auxiliaries such as filler and panel that you may use during your design process. Okay, so this is for our custom furniture public catalog.